Hi guys, naghahanap kami ng mga interview. Mga grupo ko. Bye.
What is your name po?
I'm Yajrel Rasalan po.
May question lang po kami. Why do many people likes Jollibee po?
For me, I think many people like myself like Jollibee because first and foremost, yung flavor, pwede po ba magtagalog?
Yeah, okay lang. Tagalog talaga.
Yung sa flavor po kasi nila, I think many people are intrigued by the flavors of Jollibee, which yung sa chicken lang po, for starters, yung chicken nila, it's crispy, it's very, tender, and it has a lot of unique flavors in it. Kaya po siguro nagkakaroon ng maraming customers ang Jollibee dahil po sa flavors na kanilang chicken. And preferably, marami rin pong mga ibang side dishes ang Jollibee na, I think, magugustuhan ng marami yung peach mango pie and more. Ayan pa.
Thank you. Next question is, what product you usually ordered in Jollibee?
For me, ang in-order ko lang, minsan kapag gipit, burger steak lang na, save meal. Lang siya, burger lang talaga, burger patty na hinaluan ng mushroom and gravy. Minsan naman kapag may mga pera, ganun, mag-order naman ako ng one-piece chicken or, spaghetti lang nila.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
So many rejections.
Ano po pangalan niyo, ate?
Vivian Newson. Ito po yung first question. What do many people likes McDo?
Para sa akin po, masarap po yung McDo. At saka, para sa akin lang masarap to crispy po yung chicken.
What product you usually ordered in McDo?
Yung product na lagi kong in-order is, yung spicy chicken nila. Yun lang.
Okay po, thank you po. Thank you po. Bye po.
She'd take the world off my shoulders if it was ever hard to move. She'd turn the rain.
Hello po, pwede po namin kayo ma-interview? Ano po pangalan niyo?
Vincent Amila.
Sige po.
Ito po yung mga question po. Why do many people like Jollibee?
Jollibee? Dahil siguro masarap yung mga pagkain. Kaya maraming kumakain sa Jollibee.
Ano po? About naman po sa McDo. What do you usually order in McDo?
McDo? Yung one-piece chicken.
Yeah. Ano po? What's your favorite to, order? What's your favorite to order in both? Jollibee?
Jollibee naman, yung nila, mix and match, yung spaghetti tsaka yung, peach mango pie.
Okay po. Thank you po.
What's your name po?
I'm Miss Kimberly na lang po. You can call me Miss Kim.
Thank you po. May question lang po kami. Why do many people like Jollibee po? Especially po you, ma'am.
Especially?
Ikaw po.
Okay. Okay, for me, in my own perspective, the reason why lots of people likes Jollibee is maybe because, ito yung nakalakyan nila, and maybe because, hindi lang kasi siya pang pangbata, usually these days, okay, marami ring tumatangkilik, especially mga young adults like us. Like for example, if you're into TikToks, okay, maraming gumagawa ng trends wherein kahit hindi bata yung party, okay, nag-aano na sila. Parang yung mga adults, like may mga matatanda na rin na nagsaselebrate. Kasi hindi lang siya, sabi nga dun sa ng Jollibee is vida ang saya. So which means, para sa akin, totoo yun. And napatunayan naman yun ng Jollibee. That's the reason why I think mas maraming tumatangkay sa kanila. And because maybe yung consistency rin ng product nila is hindi nila yun pinapalitan. Which is kung ano yung nakilala nung mga tao noon is yun din yung patuloy nilang ginagawa ngayon. And then, yun lang for me. Thank you.
Thank you po. Next po is what product you usually ordered in Jollibee?
Okay. I usually order the burger steak sa McDo and yung spaghetti. Also the chicken joy kasi may reason ba kung bakit in-order? Okay, yun lang naman. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya.
I observe na kadalasan sa mga customers ng Jollibee ay buong pamilya or hindi kaya mga parent with their kids. And I notice kung gaano sila kasatisfied because of Jollibee. And dala na rin siguro ng ambience while eating cause you feel the Filipino style na sinasabayan pa ng mga pagkain may panlasang Pinoy. Actually, hindi na ako nagulat sa mga na-interview namin kasi ang laging sagot nila ay those product na makakain mo sa Jollibee ay akma sa mga panlasang Pinoy. Kaya isa na rin siguro yun sa mga dahilan kung bakit ang mga customers ay 100% well satisfied after nilang makakain sa Jollibee.
As we observe Jollibee, we notice that many of the customers is busy to their foods and sometimes busy sa mga kausap nila. They are happy and enjoying the foods. Obviously, makikita mo naman sa mga mukha nila. Mabilis serving ng mga staff and makikita mo rin na malinis talaga sila gumalaw, especially sa pag-serve ng food.
The common things I notice when observing the both of them is I can really tell that people are just having a great time there. It's whether you're in a hurry or taking your time to bite. They are just happy to be in both of the restaurant. And that is all that really matters for me in what I observe in my eyes. You can tell that the quality of the products are excellent because I can clearly tell myself that people are just enjoying their foods. They are just happy to be there. And that is all that really matters at the end of the day.